Some people call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I fertile, you fertile. Or worse. But I've been here for a billion years. I feed species creature than you. And I've starved species creature than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't mean anything to me. Your actions will determine your fate, not my fate. I'm nature. I'll go on. I be prepared for evil. Are you ready to?